Hello, my name is Gareth and I love cooking. Today we'll be making white chocolate orange cookies using the equipment I borrowed from the Carmarthenshire County Council. First we need to weigh the ingredients, so 80 grams of icing sugar, thank you.
It is 4 grams. It is 13 grams. It is 32 grams. It is 72 grams. It is 80 grams.
There we go. So now
0.
we need 300 grams of self-raising flour,
It is 31 grams.
Jeffrey's quite slow today.
It is 301 grams.
Now we need 175 grams of white chocolate orange. You don't have to use white chocolate if you don't want. I'm just addicted to this.
It is 15 grams. It is 176 grams.
40 grams of white hot chocolate powder.
It is 5 grams. It is 40 grams.
And now we're going to be doing 225 grams of butter.
It is 13 grams.
Add a bit
It
more.
is 222 grams.
That should be enough now. Okay, this is the talking jug that I was saying about. It can weigh milk, cooking oil or water, which is what is typically used for cooking. 35 milliliters of milk. So, here we go, Mr. Jeffrey again.
30.
So we've weighed everything we need to start cooking. Let's crack on. As you can see, I have broken my chocolate orange into chunks roughly the same size. Take your butter and whisk it until it's light and fluffy. Well, if the butter wants to come out. Use one of these, an electric whisk. And after we do that, we put the sugar and then the orange juice and the orange peel. After we do that, we add in the flour and the raspberry and white chocolate powder. And after we do that, we get the white chocolate and the milk, right? And then it should form a ball. Now the mix does look like a cookie dough. Take a ice cream scooper and line a tin with parchment paper and take a bit out of the cookie dough and make sure they're spaced apart, because if they're not, they could go into each other, which means they'll be stuck together and won't look like cookies. Now you put them in the oven, which has to be up to 160 degrees Celsius, and then you cook them for 16 minutes. Your ovens might be different, but the systems should be the same. And after they are out of the oven and they are cool enough to handle, you take the spatula out and put them on the rack to cool. So now they should look something like this. This is a liquid probe thingy. It goes on the side of your cup and tells you when it's full. So now I can have some hot chocolate with my cookie. Now you eat the cookie! Bye bye.